Hello everyone and welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Tuesday the 9th of August with me, Richard Pro-Market Analyst at Ansett Markets. Let's look at gold, and we've seen the gold price just consolidate yesterday. Interesting because we had dollar strength, and I talked about silver earlier. Silver made gains on the day. Gold basically formed a doji candle, and after that strong move to the downside, a doji candle seems to be a bit of a conflicting candle because it just suggests that there is an uncertainty with that selling pressure. Again, we're seeing gold basically flat on the day. It's actually just rallied a little bit off the lows of the day. And the fact is that I mean, just looking through my board now, my prices board, I've just seen the euro starting to go a bit more positive. So this dollar strength that we were seeing earlier today is just starting to unwind a bit, and the gold price is a beneficiary of that. And this is coming as this correction is still actually underway. I mean, you've got the momentum indicators on the daily chart, certainly. Corrective on the stochastics, they're falling away. The MACD line's starting to show a little bit of light between them, but again, basically neutral, aren't they? And the RSI is at 50, so it's a mildly bearish bias in the near-term outlook, but I still think that corrections are going to be seen as a chance to buy. You've got this, this is the hourly chart. And just zoom in so you see that hourly candle that we've had in the last few minutes starting to pick up quite strongly. But we are still corrective on this chart. I mean, in terms of the configuration of the momentum indicators, hourly MACD lines and the RSI were both positively configured on the way up. That's turned over and now more negatively configured, certainly on the MACD lines. But can the RSI start to gain a bit of traction in a recovery? Now, in terms of what we're looking at in the last couple of days, as I said, we've basically consolidated sideways. Very little real movement. 1330 up towards 1338 seems to be sort of the trading range that we've got in the last couple of days, and that is still intact. 1330 was also a support back from the 29th of July. So we're still holding on to that level, and I think between 1325 1330 is a fairly sort of decent pivot area, isn't it? So basically has 1325 was basically pivotal through mid-late July, breaking higher. 1330 again is support, so I reckon $5 worth of decent support there. You could see the next low in that, even if you dropped into it, but I think below 1325 you're probably back towards the lows again. But for now we're basically now consolidating. So if you can break above 1338 and then move back towards this this old pivot 1346, then I think that you could start to see more of a positive outlook again. But for now, we're basically just consolidating on gold. But it is interesting that gold has just picked up again off the sort of day lows, as the dollar has started to sort of lose a bit of impetus in its strength today. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.